Welcome to Future Brain Tech, where we explore how artificial intelligence is fundamentally changing the way we build our modern world. For centuries, construction has depended entirely on human hands, requiring massive teams of workers to operate equipment and coordinate complex tasks. Engineers once relied on manual plans, spending countless hours calculating measurements and coordinating thousands of people across huge construction project sites. But that model is changing rapidly as autonomous excavators begin to move by themselves, performing tasks with incredible accuracy and speed. Robotic arms are now assembling complex structures, reducing the need for manual labor and ensuring that every joint is perfectly secured. Drones are scanning the site from above, capturing high-resolution data that helps keep track of every single change on the ground. Artificial intelligence is predicting problems before they happen, allowing managers to fix issues while they are still just digital warnings today. Thousands of machines are communicating through one digital brain, creating a perfectly synchronized flow of work that maximizes efficiency every hour. Construction workers may soon be joined by thousands of intelligent machines, marking the beginning of a massive global AI construction revolution.
Traditional construction is incredibly complex, involving thousands of workers, hundreds of machines, and multiple contractors trying to meet very tight deadlines.
Millions of components must be managed, and constantly changing conditions make every project a high-stakes challenge for all the teams involved.
Every mistake can cost time, and every delay can increase the budget, creating a domino effect across the entire construction project.
Unlike a factory, a construction site constantly changes, with unpredictable weather and shifting ground conditions making automation a very difficult task.
Now, artificial intelligence is beginning to change that equation, turning unpredictable project variables into manageable. The first revolution happens before construction even begins, as AI analyzes enormous amounts of project information to optimize every single step. Instead of relying entirely on manual planning, AI can simulate thousands of possible construction sequences to find the absolute best approach. Imagine an AI system examining an entire mega-project before the first machine enters the site, identifying potential conflicts and hidden risks. It can identify potential conflicts, optimize construction sequences, predict material requirements, and continuously adjust the schedule.
The construction plan is no longer static, as it becomes a living system that adapts to the reality of the evolving project.
Now imagine changing the design, where a structural component becomes larger or a tunnel becomes deeper, forcing the system to recalculate everything.
The system searches for a better sequence, ensuring less wasted movement, less idle machinery, less material waste, and significantly less project downtime.
AI doesn't simply create a plan, it can explore millions of possibilities to find better ones that humans could never calculate alone.
The job of the engineer begins to change, as humans increasingly define the goals, while AI searches for the most efficient path. Then the machines arrive, as robotic systems begin performing repetitive construction tasks that were once handled by tired and overworked human laborers. Robots weld structural elements, machines lay materials, and autonomous systems move components across the site with perfect timing and great physical strength. For decades, robots have dominated factories, but construction is different because construction sites do not provide the same controlled and safe environments. Now engineers are developing robots capable of operating in those unpredictable environments. Machines that can see. One of the most dramatic examples is autonomous earthmoving, where a massive excavator enters a construction zone without any human operator inside. Instead of a driver, cameras, LiDAR, GPS, and onboard AI create a constantly updated model of the environment to guide the machine. The machine doesn't simply follow instructions. It understands its environment, knows where it is, and continuously adjusts its movements based on data. One autonomous excavator is impressive, but the real revolution begins when hundreds of machines work together as a single, highly coordinated fleet. An AI system could coordinate the entire fleet, ensuring that when one excavator finishes a section, another machine immediately moves in place. The construction site begins to behave like a giant robotic organism, where every machine knows its role and communicates with the others. Above the construction site, another layer of intelligence is watching, as drones fly continuously across the project to map the entire terrain. A drone can survey an enormous area in minutes, but the real power is the intelligence analyzing the data to track project progress. AI can compare today's site with yesterday's, identifying deviations that may be almost invisible to the human eye during a quick site walk. Imagine a drone scanning thousands of structural components, where AI analyzes the images to find a small crack or a slight misalignment issue. The system highlights the problem, engineers receive an alert, and the issue is investigated before it becomes a major and costly structural failure. The goal isn't simply faster inspection, it is continuous inspection, ensuring the construction site is being monitored all the time by intelligent software. Now we reach the heart of the system, the digital twin, a complete digital representation of every single building component and construction material. When something changes in the real world, the digital model changes with it, creating a perfect link between the physical and digital.
When the AI detects a problem in the model, engineers can investigate it in the real world, bridging the gap between two worlds.
With a digital twin, engineers can simulate the future, asking what happens if the crane moves, or if material arrives late on site. The AI can simulate these scenarios before they happen, allowing the team to prepare for heavy rain or unexpected delays in the schedule.
Instead of discovering problems during construction, engineers can discover them inside the simulation, testing the future before it becomes our new reality.
Construction remains one of the most dangerous industries in the world, and AI could create another layer of protection for every single person.
Cameras monitor restricted zones, computer vision identifies unsafe behavior, and sensors track equipment to ensure that wearable devices can provide location information, and AI can identify dangerous situations in real time, preventing accidents before they can actually take place. The machine slows down when the AI detects a potential conflict, and the system redirects the operation to keep all human workers safe. Robots excel where humans struggle with repetition, precision, heavy lifting, and dangerous environments, allowing them to work continuously without any fatigue or breaks. A robotic construction system could potentially work day and night without fatigue, completing projects in half the time of traditional human-led building crews. AI could also control large-scale construction printers, moving along a programmed path to deposit materials layer by layer for a perfect final build.
The geometry is continuously verified by sensors, ensuring that the walls are perfectly straight and the structure is strong enough for the building.
Some structures could be manufactured directly on site, as AI determines the geometry and robotics control the movement for a very fast result.
The technologies are no longer separate, as they become one ecosystem, where AI plans the work and robots perform the heavy lifting tasks. Drones inspect the work, sensors measure the work, the digital twin represents the work, and AI learns from everything to optimize the future. The construction site becomes a self-optimizing system, where every machine knows its role and every process is refined by real-time data analysis today. AI may replace many tasks, but that doesn't necessarily mean it replaces every worker, as the construction workforce is evolving into new roles.
Workers may become robot supervisors, engineers may manage AI systems, and technicians may maintain autonomous machines as the industry shifts toward higher technology.
The future may not be humans versus machines, as it may be humans directing machines to achieve results that were once considered impossible. This could become the new control room of construction, a place where humans and machines work together through one digital nervous system daily. Construction progress is updated automatically, and engineers supervise the entire operation from one location, ensuring that everything is built to the highest standard. Imagine arriving at a mega project in the future, where thousands of machines are moving, but almost everything is automated for maximum possible efficiency. The construction site may become quieter, more precise, more connected, and dramatically more intelligent as we move into this new era of building. But perhaps the most important change is that construction itself becomes data-driven, allowing for better decisions at every single stage of the process. This revolution comes with new challenges, such as cybersecurity, AI failures, machine collisions, and the enormous responsibility. The smarter construction becomes, the more important human oversight becomes, because someone still needs to decide what the machine should optimize for daily.
Should the system prioritize speed, cost, safety, or sustainability?
This is no longer traditional construction. It is construction transformed into an intelligent manufacturing system, where everything The building is no longer simply assembled. It is coordinated, simulated, measured, optimized, and continuously monitored. For thousands of years, humans built with their hands. But now, we are building machines that can make decisions to help us build. The next generation of construction may be defined not by how many workers are on a site, but by how intelligently we work. The construction site of tomorrow may have thousands of machines, but only one objective: build faster, build safer, build smart. We can now build what was once considered impossible, proving that the age of traditional construction is not ending, but rather evolving today.
The next great buildings may not simply be built by humans. They may be built by an intelligent partnership between humans and robots.
The future of construction isn't human versus machine. It's human intelligence amplified by machines, creating a new era of building for our world.
Every movement of these robots is calculated to perfection, ensuring that the structures we inhabit are safer and more efficient than ever before. Our urban landscapes are being transformed by these digital tools, allowing us to build cities that are more sustainable and resilient against change. The code written by these engineers is the foundation of the physical structures that will define our civilization for the next 100 years. By delegating heavy lifting to these powerful robots, we allow human workers to focus on the creative and strategic aspects of the project. Advanced modeling allows us to visualize complex designs in 3 dimensions, ensuring that every detail is perfect before the first stone is laid. The final product of this technological synergy is a building that stands as a testament to what we can achieve when working together. Data monitoring ensures that the building remains in peak condition long after it is finished, providing safety and comfort to all its residents. Order and discipline are the hallmarks of this new way of working, where efficiency is prioritized and waste is reduced to the minimum.
Seeing a project come to life is the greatest reward for any engineer who has dedicated their career to building a better world.
The light reflecting off these buildings is a sign of progress, a beacon of what we can achieve through hard work and smart technology. As the sun sets on the old ways of building, a new dawn rises, bringing with it unlimited potential for growth and human innovation. This is the world we are creating together, a world built by human creativity, powered by machines, and guided by artificial intelligence today. Care and maintenance are essential to keeping these systems running, ensuring that our partnership with machines remains strong and productive for many years. Behind every structure is a massive amount of data, a digital foundation that supports the physical reality of the buildings we live in. Looking down from above, you can see the complexity of these projects, a testament to the scale of our ambitions and our technological reach. Consistency is the key to quality, and these machines never tire or make mistakes, ensuring that every weld is as strong as the first.
The ability to make informed decisions based on real-time data is what sets our modern construction practices apart from those of the past century.
With every flight, these drones gather more information, helping us build smarter and faster than we ever thought possible in the previous decades.
Pride in one's work is a timeless value, and even with machines, the human spirit remains at the center of everything we build today.
Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Stay curious, keep building, and we will see you in the next exciting video episode.